Hello beautiful people out there, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this series we are going to see how we can use React and PHP together. We will use React for front end and PHP as back end. Here I'm going to use an online IDE called Replit. Replit is a very fantastic online IDE as it currently works with up to 50 programming languages. And the advantage with this online IDE is that you can do your learning and coding on the go. It also makes a collaboration very easy. So it's a wonderful IDE that you can use, even though when you are on transit, so you don't have any excuse again for not having, even on your phone now. That means you can actually code on your on your phone if you are on transit, or maybe you are going to work or anywhere. So you actually learn very fast now. As you write your code, it has a hot reload. So immediately as you are writing your code, you automatically you see the results. So it's a very fantastic online IDE. As you can see here, I already have a React project installed. You can see my React project, or everything, that React has. For example, the way you use a create React app on your VS Code, and then or your terminal, and then you have all the folders and everything being installed for you. So the same thing. So everything you can see, you can even create folder, create file, and the rest. So to start with, as you can see, I've already created my own project. Here now, if you want to start using a Replit, you can register with them. It's free to create account with them. And then, so if you want to maybe create a particular project, for instance, on any programming language of your choice, so you click on this plus button, and it will bring an interface. So here now, you can actually, where we have a title here, you can write the name of your title there. Then where if you want to search for templates, so you can, for instance, let's say you want to work with a PHP, you create a PHP. Here you can see PHP web server and the PHP PDO SQLite for your database. If you work with a node.js, immediately you click on create repo. Your project, all the setup you need will be created for you. Then if you want to, if a node.js is language you use, just type it in, and then you select it. When you select it, so you can actually rename the title if you like, or you can make use of the one being there. Then you hit the create repo. So if you just want to learn, for instance, let's say, sorry, I'm using phone. So okay, so you have a choice of different programming languages. You can see Python here now. So you just choose. They have a plenty programming languages that you can actually choose from. If you are working with Java, let's look for Java. You can see Java there. What about let's say you are working with pure JavaScript. JavaScript. You can see CoffeeScript, your HTML, and then CSS all together. You can see Deno. You can see TypeScript. You can see Vue.js, Kaboom. A lot of programming languages, up to like 50 programming languages. This is very fantastic. So there's no reason for you to say you can, even though without laptop now, that means you can learn. You understand? You can learn, upgrade your skills. So no need of you, to complain that I don't have a laptop. Even with, small data, like maybe 1 gig, 500 MB, you can actually continue with your learning. So that's it. So we are going to be making use of a Replit in learning for now. And then, so in our next video, we are going to do some setup and then write some programs, and they try to connect, making use of what is called a API, REST API, to have a communication between front end and our back end. So our front end will be in React and our back end will be in PHP. So that's what we are going to focus on this series. Thank you for watching.